Somewhere on our beautiful planet Earth, there is a little forest nurturing all kinds of wildlife. And the little man with his guitar, he loved singing to his friends in the little forest. What a wonderful piece of land, full with joy and harmony. One day the snake slither in and says,
"Something is happening on the road by the forest. Go check it out."
The frog passes down the news, and everyone gathers by the road.
Go to the road.
They see a wrecking machine parking in the middle of the road. Everyone is disturbed and left with worries of not knowing what is going to happen. The red cat is especially freaking out.
Meow, meow, huge machine, meow, meow, meow.
Jumping around
meow.
and screaming. The next morning, a number of heavy machines come with big noise and shakes the whole forest. All the big trees are knocked down.
I fell asleep. It was such a nightmare.
The little man discovered he had a nightmare. The morning is just normal as usual, as sunny. Little man tells everyone in the forest about the nightmare he had. While doing their daily routine, a thought arises among the minds of the forest creature.
What if the nightmare really happens someday?
So all the residents decide to enjoy every moment while they are here, spend their days happily and with much care to this wonderful land.
Oh, everybody shake your body and sing!